okay, okay. Yeah. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today is Fashion Friday. And what do you know? If you know these colors, you can kind of see this one. But anyway, this is going to be a Nordstrom haul. So, ooh, I'm gonna save this one. Let's start with this. Alright, so when I got these, I was so excited because if you don't know, or if you do know, I am between the West and the East and the South Coast. You're like, there's no such thing as a South Coast. To me, there is. So anyway, in New York, because that's where I'm at right now, it'd be cold. And if you know me, I love heels, the higher the better, but in New York, it's cold. And I love my moccasins. They're Minnetonkas, and I love that. But when it gets a little wet, and in New York it snows, so I ordered these online, and then I have to pick them up from the Upper East Side. Shout out to the Upper East Side. Shout out to all the Upper East Side girlies, and the Wash Heights girlies, and the Harlem girlies, uptown. So anyway, okay. So when I saw these, I just have to get them. And what are they? What are they? They are Timbs. And nothing special about the box, just Timberland logo. And these are waterproof, so it doesn't matter if it snows or it rains, I'll be good with these, and I needed that. If you haven't seen, I did a Christian Louboutin rain boots unboxing. That's in the playlist, which is this playlist, which is Fashion Fridays. Those are cute, but I'm not always gonna wear, as we say in the urban areas and in the hood, I'm not always gonna wear red bottom rain boots to just like any occasion, which I could because I'm Jazzy and I'm Lulu. But sometimes, you know, you gotta get a little bit. So when I saw these, I was like, these are right up my alley because these are waterproof. So yeah, wrap like that, waterproof, all those good things that this says. This is biodegradable packaging. Love that. The stars of the show. This is what it's looking like. How beautiful. How beautiful, right? Love these. Oh, they just feel like butter. These are in a size 9. I wear 8, 8.5, 9, just depending on what type of shoe it is. Sometimes I'm 8, sometimes I'm 8.5, sometimes I'm 9. So in these I got 9. Yeah, they fit really great. I love the fact that it says Timberland on the back. I love the black and silver. And look how cute. These are like little nut and bolts. Like these are like the bottom of the bolts. So I thought that that was so creative. And I love the laces. And they're like extra long, and these laces are black and silver as well. And this, oh my gosh, this cushions so well. And y'all know, if you're from New York, y'all know Tim's. Oh, and I love this logo right here. This is also metal. That's cute. Adds like, you know, feminine touches, and it has a heel on it, which I love shoes that even give me like a little bit of height. I just love it. But yeah, you know, I'm girly, but y'all just love it. I mean, that's me. So I get, you know. So, but anyway, I love these because like snow and waterproof. Love these. Love them. I'm gonna spray them with Scotchgard. Should I? It says that they are already waterproof, so maybe I don't have to, but probably I'm gonna do it anyway. But anyway, yeah, how cute are the black, right? These are so sexy. Never wore them, never wore them. Love them. How cute, right? Because I could never see myself wearing no construction Timbs, never, never. And if you're a girl who wears construction Timbs and you're not like a little girl or like a little baby your parents buy them, and you're literally like a grown woman wearing construction Timbs, well, maybe you're a lumberjack, so I guess wear them if you like. But anyway, love these. And next, my favorite. Alright, so there's a whole story behind these something here. Alright, so I got these from Nordstrom. That's right across, where's that at? Columbus Circle, right across from Universal. So anyway, I had to do some business that day. Being them, did that, and then I saw these Timbs and I was like, I need them. And they were like, okay, but we only have 2 sizes. So I tried on the larger size. They were too big, right? I think they were 9 and they were too big. So then I look in the window and what do I see? I'm like, oh, these ones don't fit me because these are too big. I want those. And they're like, wait, you want the ones off the mannequin? I said, I sure do. Those look like they're my size. And they're like, man, I'm not sure those are your size. I'm like, they're my size and I want them. And guess what? They needed an owner. I saw them and I made them mine. So, the grand finale, I own these. They're so cute. And these right here are called the Lana Shearling high heel boot Timbs. Girl, mira eso, chica, mira, un momentito, mira eso, está bacana, qué linda. Uf. Me encanta. These are everything. I love these. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I was like, yes. So I can walk in heels and I can walk in heels a lot, but if it's snowing and it's raining, it could be tricky in the streets of New York. And when I saw these, I'm like, OMG, these are so perfect because this is a thick heel. I just love the design, I love the styling. So cute. Oh. And because these were on the mannequin, they gave me a 33% discount. I love them. These are mine. Love them. Oh. How cute. Use with this tongue up for a different look. Love how this, it's like, the toes are like this, but it's not like with the pointy high heels, so it like has room. Cause y'all know, if y'all know, the high heel Timbs, they have like a super pointy toe, and I don't need my feet to be hurting, trying to look cute. So these are cute. Love the fact that it has the Shearling Sherpa inside. How cute. All warm winter, all of that. You could raise these up. You could lace them right here. Has a little Tim logo right here. The bottom is just everything. You could grip the snow. I probably could run and do a marathon in this. I definitely could samurai kick somebody in these if I had to. You know how sticky it get. So anyway, yeah, these have like a padded cushion inside, so that's so hot. Love them. So when I saw these, I was just like, girl, I don't care if you have to rip that mannequin's head off, they need to be mine. And I got them. And they were the last pair. Look how cute. Look how cute. They go in like super easy. These are just, yeah, I have the perfect fur coat for these. How cute. How cute. They're comfortable. They're easy to walk in. Oh my gosh. When I stand up, it just be like, you know, oh my gosh, I love them. They're super comfortable. They're sexy. Like, I love them. They're super street. You want to say they're urban, streetwear. And wait till you see the coat that I have with these. OMG, OMG. I freaking love these. They're just like everything. They're everything. And when I stand up, oh my gosh, the way the wagon just be sitting and on a tilt and just, yeah. So anyway, so yeah, I love my Timbs, my high heels, and my black waterproof. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm just like, so many things I could do. Bust out with the lookery of these. These are just like everything. Love them. Anyway, let me just, yeah.